This is a metro station. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Good morning, guys. This is Paula Exploradora, solo travel girl. Welcome to Dubai. This is around 6 a.m. in the morning. The sunrise is just there. And I arrived to Dubai for the first time. This is incredible because I just been here for a couple of hours and I absolutely love it. And I had so many adventures in these few hours. But the good thing is I am already walking around the city and loving it. It's not hot because it's winter time. So let's explore Dubai together. And remember to subscribe. Yeah! Police car. Wow. Okay, so this is absolutely mind-blowing experience. Everybody calls me here Shakira. Look at this. Wow. This is...
You know what it is? Kurkuma, turmeric, kurkuma powder.
Okay guys, this is really crazy experience, but you have to go for it in Dubai.
This is saffron. One is Arabian food.
Wow. Sorry. Ooh. Wow. Wow, look at this, guys. This is so beautiful. Ooh, look at this beauty. Oh my god. This is really crazy.
In this video, I want to show you all Dubai and Dubai markets. So let's go for it.
Travel girl. Okay guys, so this is Dubai. Welcome to Dubai. This is my first time in Dubai. I'm super excited. I just arrived and I just can't handle it. It's so great. Yeah, let's explore it, guys. And this is Solo Travel Girl. Welcome to Dubai. Woo! Emirates. Okay guys, so one of the things you have to visit here in Dubai is the old Dubai. It's not that old. It was built in 2017. It's a kind of a thing, the fake thing, to show you how Dubai used to look like. So they did it well. It really looks real, even though it was just built in 2017. Okay, so this is the old Dubai. It's the most fake Dubai you can see. It was built in 2017. And it's only around 7-8 years old. It's to show you how the Dubai looked before, but it's all fake. Yeah, but it really looks realistic. Okay, we are entering to the traditional house in Dubai. That's how it looked before. Oh wow, it's so beautiful.
You are not well. If I give you tea, if I give you water, something is to eat, something is to drink, not a coffee, eat and drink and leave the house. If I give you a coffee, you are welcome. If I do not give you a coffee, that means you are not welcome. So coffee is our welcome drink.
Okay, so this time I'm walking through old Dubai. This is the real old Dubai. It's not fake and it's awesome. Let's check this out. So this is the old Dubai, real one, not the fake one. And it's around 200 years or more. Here, beautiful. Wow. Really nice. Wow. Best places to see here with Paula Exploradora, old Dubai. This is the real old Dubai. This is not the fake one. Really cool place to come and see it for free. Yeah, so come on, let's check this out here. Okay, so this is the square here. This is the real old Dubai and the mosque is just there. Very nice place here. Definitely must see while you are here in Dubai. Nice.
Okay, so here they have 2 camels, and guess what? The baby camel is just 3 months old. Isn't that crazy?
Okay, so we are going into a market. I definitely need to get a like that. Ooh, looks nice. Gonna get a magnet, yeah. Thank you. Okay, we are going to sit here and eat falafel. Ooh, looks really beautiful. Hello. Wow, that's the best view. Looks really good. Okay guys, so this is for Exploradora. Welcome to Dubai. And we're just having a stop here. We're gonna eat falafel. And this is the best view, Wow, really beautiful. Exactly, wow. This is Dubai, woo! Let's do it. Wow, so pretty. With the city view. We've got to stop out on our tour and we're going to eat falafel here. Greek city restaurant. Street, busy market. Wow, let's go find about it.
Okay guys, so this is really crazy. We just arrived to the market and this is absolutely mind-blowing. Look at all these people and all of them call me Shakira. Why do they call me Shakira? Let's check this out.
Okay, so this is the market. Ooh, species. Nice.
You know what it is? Kurkuma, turmeric, kurkuma powder. We use it for cooking. This one for eating. This one for the face mask. Kurkuma, turmeric. Here we get the lemon, dry lemon and smoked lemon. Please smell and pass to the next. Dry lemon and we smoke lemon. We use them for cooking as well. Here, cinnamon, hibiscus, tea, juice, controlling the blood pressure. This is sunflower.
Turmeric.
Sunflower, that's not turmeric. Is it turmeric? Is it turmeric? Deodorant, after shaving, kill the bacteria, stop the blood. If there's any wound, you can stop the blood and kill the bacteria. This one called the deodorant. This is salt. Look at the difference. This one for the bacteria and as well stop the blood, and this is salt. Here,
we are visiting the pieces.
ada mal Bolanda,
Wow.
ada mal Slovakia. Yes, please. This side.
Wow.
Yes, you can.
Chocolate.
How old is she?
That's so good.
For him as well?
Okay guys, so here you can see some souvenirs and I'm taking you for a walk through the market. I lost my guide, but it doesn't matter, I will find him later. It's very safe here, as you can see, and there's a lot of people just doing shopping around. Hi my friend, how are you? Oh, thank you. Okay guys, so here we have different variety of dry snacks, including dates and peanuts and everything. It looks amazing really, and it's worth a try. So go for it when you come to Dubai. Okay, so this side is dedicated to clothing, and then you have black scarf, black abaya, another one black. All of them are black. I do not see the difference, but maybe they do. Yeah, different variety of clothing, and let's go for it. Let's see more of it here. Different souvenirs and different types of things you can buy.
Okay guys, this is really crazy experience, but you have to go for it in Dubai. The market is really crowded, busy. Everyone tries to sell you cashmere. It's still very cool. Okay, this is the market. So crazy busy. Wow, you've got everything here. Hi my friend, what are you selling?
How are you? Come here. Let's talk.
Again, Shakira. Oh, sorry. Why everyone calls me Shakira? Yeah.
Look, okay?
Okay, I know this one. How much is this tea? Wait.
Which one? This one I give you 100 gram. You're from China. I give you 100 gram, 40 dirham.
Oh wow, that the guy had for 25.
No, I give you 40 dirham.
Wow, and this one. Wait, this one.
This one.
This one.
This one 40 dirham.
Yeah.
This is 40 dirham. This is 65 dirham.
This one. Can I smell?
Yeah, this is.
This is
mango.
the one I. Yeah, this one I really like. Yeah, yeah.
This one, this is I give you for you 65 dirham.
Ooh, no, my friend, thank you. So spicy.
This one, look.
Really good.
This one I
Yeah.
give you for you 50 dirham.
Wow.
And this one.
Let me see. That other one is
This
better.
one, look. This is
Yeah.
hibiscus tea.
Oh, hibiscus. Can I
Yes.
see? Wow, really good.
And
Yeah.
This one, look.
Yeah. They already. Wow,
This is
really?
sandalwood.
Yeah, really good.
This is bukhor, Arabian bukhor. You are
Can I see?
TikTok store?
Huh? Yeah.
TikTok?
No, YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh.
Woo! Wow. Yeah, he's good.
And this one, you
How much do you sell like all the packages like this? How much is like
this
package?
one I give you 35 dirham. You
Okay.
like this one I give you 25 dirham. Very nice spicy.
Wow, and this for cooking.
Yeah, for the cooking.
Oh,
And
wow.
This one you look.
What's that? Let me see. What? Crazy. What is that?
This is good nose, good eyes, good head, good chest.
Wow, very
This
good.
Yeah, this is for the menthol.
Oh, wow. Okay, what's that?
This is saffron oil.
Oh my God. What does it mean? Ooh, that's really posh, right? Wow, I wish you could smell that. Wow.
This one is Arabian oud.
Wow.
Give me card. Wait.
This is Arabian oud.
Sorry. Ooh, wow. This is really good store. You should come here and buy some stuff. Really well explained.
And look here.
Yeah. Wow, look at the dresses.
Dresses show.
Wow, really nice. This is for the hi, dzień dobry, ni hao.
How much
Yeah.
you buy this one?
This is for the wedding.
magnet.
Wow, I just had magnets here.
How much?
Wow, I think they ripped me off. Look at this. Wow, this is
My
for
phone
the.
is here.
Is it for wedding?
Yes, it is.
Wow, yeah, I should wear this for my sister's wedding. Nice. How much is it? How much is this? Wow. Very nice. No, don't open because my guide will kill me. How much is it?
This one I give you for you 150 dirham.
Wow. Nice. Very nice. Okay, my friend. Thank you. Okay, so this is absolutely mind-blowing experience. Everybody calls me here Shakira. Yeah, I like it anyway. All right, so this is the market. A lot of good spices, clothing, all good thing here. So yeah, come over Dubai. It's a police car. Wow. Okay, so this is absolutely crazy. I'm right now in Gold Souq and everything is gold, but I feel like it's all fake. Okay, let's check this out, guys. I think this is a kind of a fake gold here. Gold Souq. There you go. Everyone's selling and buying gold. Wow, it's crazy, so busy. Okay, so how much is this? Wow, this is really crazy. This is Dubai. Wow. They don't put prices though. Crazy. Wow. Wow, look at this, guys. This is so beautiful. But obviously, who's wearing this? Only Arabic women. Wow, this is so crazy, really. But it looks really fake. Wow. Wow, this is really crazy. This is a Gold Souq here in Dubai. Check this out. I'm just gonna enter. Hello. Wow, look at the beauty of it. Wow. Hello. Wow, this is so beautiful. Who buys this? It's so beautiful. Wow. So nice. Look at this gold. Wow. Oh wow. So many people. Goodbye. Oh! Bye-bye! Bye! Okay, so this is Guinness Record, World Record Certificate. Ooh, look at this beauty. Oh my god. This is really crazy. Wow, this is the biggest ever ring made. Guinness World Record Certificate. Crazy. Okay guys, so exploring Dubai here with my guide. It's been an extremely good adventure. I learned so many good things about Dubai. I'm absolutely loving it because maybe the weather is not so hot today. But this is the Dubai Souk. I visited Old Dubai today. I learned a lot. And hopefully one day you can come here too and explore Dubai the way I do it. So this is Solo Travel Girl. And welcome to Dubai. This is the Gold Souq here, the market. And this is Solo Travel Girl. See you in next destination. Bye!
All over the world for the women. Anytime you are a woman, you can go outside. 3 a.m., 4 a.m. outside of your house. You don't need to let your apartment. Leave it open, go work and come back. No problem. Now I'm with you here. Yeah.